सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, hundreds of Adi Navasis channels, YouTube Live, Twitter Live, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome every one of you with my love and respects. I'll continue to expand on depth, more deeper understandings, opening up in my system for this Mahasadashivoham. Listen. The cognitions of life positive raises you, pulls you up. That's a levitation energy. Cognitions of negative is a gravitation energy. Understand? The negative cognitions gravitates, pulls you down. Positive cognitions levitates you, raises you up. When you say, I feel too heavy, it is really real. When you are depressed, as usual, when you are disturbed, when you have negative cognitions, if you feel heavy, it is real, because the cognitions gives you experience, not perception. Understand? If you cognize something great is going to happen, you are going to experience it. Listen. For example, one part of you is cognizing something bad is going to happen. One part of you is cognizing, no, something good, I'll make it happen. The other side is creating fear. I know we cognize negativity more, so only that will happen. No. You have the freedom to vote. Veto is given to you. Understand? If you consciously decide and veto, say that I am going to choose the positive. I am going to choose my positive cognitions and give life to it. I am going to support this. Your conscious declarations, sankalpa, your conscious decisions as power to nullify your negativity and manifest your positive cognitions. Listen. Your cognitions matter. Your understandings matter. Every internalizing you do, whether before a joyful happening or after the joyful happening, or before the painful happening, after the painful happening, any contemplation you do, any internalizing you do, any internalizing you do, any thinking you do, strengthens your cognition. Listen, it really strengthens your cognition, whether negative side or positive side. Your cognitions go on getting strengthened, I tell you. If you decide to manifest the wealth in your cognition, I guarantee wealth has to follow you. It just has to manifest in your life. Because then you know what is the component you need to grow in you, which is making you worthy of wealth. You will grow that. Nothing else is needed other than your depth itself to make you worthy of richness. It is your depth makes you worthy of richness and attracts wealth. Because there are tons sitting with wealth without depth, need your depth support. They will have to have your depth and share their wealth. Understand, every incident in your life increases your depth, either in the direction of positive or negative, life positive or life negative. If that cognition increases the energy current in your nervous system and makes you feel light and ready to fight, it is positive. If it increases dullness in your nervous system, heaviness, pushes you back, makes you feel tired or bored or withdrawn, that is negative. That's all. I tell you. See, earlier I decided I am not going to come back once more to planet Earth. This is my last visit. So first thing I decided to reprogram. There is a kind of a transmitter under the banyan tree which receives the signals and stores, reminds. It's like an alarm. I just corrected it, kept one more alarm if needed, to remind, to assume the body. I only did the preparations required. That is what actually I did when I was doing Panchatapas. That was the purpose of Panchatapas. I tell you, everything I am manifesting is programmed in the DNA of the banyan tree. It is in the banyan tree. The whole thing is stored. I only told the disciples, hey, just protect the banyan tree, nothing else. I'll be back. When I am back, all I need is just this banyan tree. At least for last few thousand years, very sincerely they were protecting. Now the whole programming is getting released from that banyan tree, getting shared. Earlier I have done a programming of not to come back once more. Means after this body. Now I have reprogrammed, if needed, let's come back 1 or 2 more times. Because if the planet Earth needs to do what we need to do, it's okay, let's come back once or twice. The whole cognition function in every moment only in the direction of positivity. Next thing I did, oh, come on, now itself let me deliver everything I need to deliver. It only increased my speed. See clearly, all the best things I delivered, starting from Nirahara Samyama, 108 Kriyas, my best commentaries on scriptures, Kundalini awakening, levitation, power manifestation, now the great Aushadha, the whole science. Of course, still I have not listed many things. All the best things. I only decided, come on, let me deliver. Listen. I am giving you an example. Ultimately, it is Sadashiva's work. No one can disturb. No one can stop. Listen very carefully. Every time you internalize, the cognitions you manifest, cognitions you make matters. Whether you get consolidated every day positively or negatively matters. Because that is what you are going to attract in your life. That is what you are going to manifest in your life. That is what is going to be the central theme of your life. Your depth matters. Your understandings matters. Understand? The moment I decided let me share whatever I have brought, whatever I need to do, it generated such huge positive energy. I could see very clearly. The whole negativity is washed away. Now, not just this one banyan tree. I have already put so many branches everywhere. It will be kept alive once for all, forever on the planet Earth. It can never be taken away, damaged. First time when I brought to the planet Earth itself, I brought 4 saplings. Now, this has multiplied. Multiplied like anything. It's only going to manifest more and more and more powers, energies. The whole energy of Kailasa secretly made in time capsule and kept here under the banyan tree and in the form of banyan tree. That is why this place is Gupta Kailasa. This is Gupta Kailasa because the whole energy and programming of the Kailasa is kept here. Your depth matters and the cognitions matters. Today we can have a special session on developing the depth. Apply little Aushadha on the navel. Navel is the zone for depth. Sit and pen down all the cognitions you want to develop, grow in you. All the cognitions you want to complete, pen down and complete them and drop. All the cognitions you want to grow, decide to vote for it and grow. We'll have a special depth session with Aushadha today. Right depth cognitions can be developed in you by reading the 108 Upanishads. 108 Upanishads is the essence of 4 Vedas compiled by Bhagavan Sri Ramachandra Prabhu. Sri Rama is not just Puranic figure. Understand? He is the first compiler of the Vedas. Nobody is looking at Ramachandra Prabhu, Maryada Purushottama. From the angle of the compiler of the Vedas, he is the first Vyasa. Understand? He is the first compiler. If you read the 108 Upanishads, you will develop the right cognitions. The right cognitions you need to develop. Most of the time, because you are so engrossed with the negative aspect of your life, even you don't remember your worth. Forgetting the self-worth is Trobhava, delusion. Even you don't remember your worth. You fall into Trobhava. Remembering right depth, developing right depth. growing right depth, moving towards enlightenment. Developing the right depth matters. It matters. Essence of today's satsang. Develop the right depth in you. Develop the right depth cognitions in you. The depth matters. Whether you want to be a sannyasi, you want to be a grihastha, you want to be rich, you want to be poor, you want to be healthy, you want to be happy, you want to be depressed, you want to be diseased, everything manifests from your cognition. It is from your cognition. It is cognition that manifests everything. Anything you experience as a reality now was and is your cognition. Anything you decide to make it as your cognition will be your reality. If you cognize, how can I live with one man or one woman my whole life, dragging, pulling, fighting, and any transformation happens to me, I will have to wait to happen for him also. Then sannyas is for you. If you cognize, oh, how can I be all alone, not having anybody even to fight with, not having anybody to torture me or me to torture in turn, then grihastha is life is for you. What you cognize, that you manifest. Decide to cognize right things. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.